we are going to create a report of data jobs like this, which has a title, jobs count, and as you can see, visualizations. And let's begin. First, we are going to open Power BI. Then we are going to create a blank report. And let's import our data. You can import your data, but I'm going to import the data that I got from a site. The link is in the description. Let's load it. Now let's make some changes on that data. We only need 4 columns of that data: job title short, job country, and salary, year average, and salary hour average. So let's modify this column first, make it sort descending. Then let's add a dollar sign to it and make auto from auto to 0. And let's modify the second one, make it sort descending. Let's add a dollar sign to it and make it 2. Now let's go to report view and let's visualize it. I'm going to visualize it by 3 cards and a filled map and stacked bar chart. Let me make it bigger. Let's copy and paste it 3 times. Okay. Okay, that's good. Let's add the stacked bar chart. Make it bigger. Let's add our map. Let's make it this one also bigger. So now let's add our data to these visualizations. In the first visualization, I'm going to add job title short and make it from first to count, which shows how many data jobs are there. In the second card, I'm going to add salary year average in the fields and make it from sum to average. In the third card, I'm going to add salary hour average. Also make it from sum to average. In the fourth card, let's add job title short to both y-axis and x-axis, like this. The field map visualization, I'm going to add job country, not job location. And just like this. So let's add a title. Let me insert a text box. In the text box, let's make the font size to 36 and make it bold and center. So let's make this bigger and let's write our title. Okay, now let's modify these visualizations. The first one, let me go to general. Oh, it's turned off. So let's go to build visual. Let's change the name to jobs count. Second one, modified. Let's modify to average yearly salary. Third one, I'm going to change its name to average hourly salary. Let's modify the fourth one. Now let's go to format your visual and to y-axis. Turn that off and also turn that off. I also don't like the grid lines. Let me just turn it off, but you can keep it on. Now let's go to general, and in the title part, I'm going to write a title. add a question mark to it and make the size bigger and center it. Let's modify this one also. Let's change the name to where. Let's make it bigger and center it. So here you have a data jobs report, which shows jobs count, average yearly salary, average hourly salary, and if you click to like Canada, it shows how many data jobs are there and their average yearly salary and like this. And you can also add some filters, like if you click to the bottom of the page, not to any visualization, let's add our job title short to that data field. I'm going to select the top 5 data jobs. First one, second one, third, fourth, and fifth. And we can also add some filters to it. And thanks for watching. See you later.